Hi, my name is Orla McCullagh. I'm going to talk about the anxiety of mathematics for business students. There is a cultural acceptability to humble brag one's ineptness at mathematics. And mathmophobia was a term used in early studies by a teacher who referred to her students striking emotional reactions in the face of mathematical tasks and challenges. However, in the 1970s, a more widely accepted definition of the phenomenon was provided, describing mathematics anxiety. Now, this is something that I've had some awareness of throughout my teaching career, where I'd frequently get the question, is there a lot of maths in this? And coming from a mathematics background myself, I do appreciate that not everyone shared my love for mathematics. So following Badura, I used an early low-weight success intervention to improve self-efficacy. And this form of intervention is designed to counter initial limiting beliefs on self-efficacy. Then COVID-19 and a swift move to the online environment. Our RIGS 2020, they posed 3 questions directing student-centered teaching and online learning. How will my students interact with the course content? How will my students interact with other students? And how will my students interact with me, their teacher? So while I had endeavoured to put in place the necessary architecture for self-directed online learning, blended with synchronous engagement, the mathematics anxiety levels rocketed. The level of support required increased exponentially also. So when I managed to escape the ping of emails, I reflected on what was missing from the pedagogy. Exploring the literature, it became apparent that negative emotions were being reinforced in peer interactions rather than the normal lab-based peer learning. Maloney and Belloc 2012 referred to the treatment of affective aspects rather than skills training when considering remedial approaches to mathematics anxiety. This is because affective behaviours are difficult to conceptualise and evaluate, and very often they're given little time in the design process. So one means by which people can regulate their negative emotions is by expressive writing, in which people are asked to write freely about their emotions for 10 to 15 minutes with respect to a specific situation, for example, an upcoming mathematics exam. So this is the type of intervention that I'm going to use.